Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change lock screen password on Samsung phone. If you want to change your lock screen passwords, you just need to follow some steps. First, you have to open your phone settings and here just scroll down and look for security or privacy. Here security, you have to tap on it and here you'll get the option of screen lock. Just tap on it and here you have to enter your password. And after that, here you have to choose the pattern or pin or password you want to select as your screen lock password. As I'm going to choose pattern, so just tap on it. And now you have to create a pattern. As I'm going to create this one, so just select it and then tap on next and then confirm it. Then tap on OK. And now you can see I have successfully changed my lock screen password to pin to our pattern. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.